Hey guys, welcome back. I think this is video number 6 or 7, something like that.
Or 8.
Or 8 or 10, who knows. So what you're going to see now is we've got the tabletop up on the table here. I'm going to do some sanding, so you'll see a video of the sanding, and then when we come back we will show you the next step. So stick with this, guys. Okay everybody, welcome back. So I got this sanded. This is again the back side of the table. You'll see these marks right here, which is where the tape went in and the resin surrounded around it. I'm not real worried about it. This is the back side of the table, or the underside, and it will have a finish on it, so we'll show you that later. I just used the disc sander to get the big stuff, and then followed it up with the orbital sander. Went around the sides with my orbital sander, you can see here. Cleaned these all up, rounded my edges because I didn't want somebody ramming into that sharp corner bit there. So let me move this. What we're going to do now, I'm going to attempt to just put a chamfer on the back of this. I have Eric's big old Porter cable router here, and that's, what bit is that?
45-degree chamfer.
Okay, 45, okay, yeah. I never see it out of the box.
That's it.
That's it. So that's the 45-degree chamfer, and I am going to put a chamfer bit edge all the way around this. Wish me luck. Let's see. How do you turn it on? Oh, right there. All right.
There you go. Yeah, you want to be away from the edge when you turn it on.
I think I am.
Yeah, so yeah, you are.
Okay.
So then when you turn it on, just try and keep the biggest part of the base plate flat on that surface.
All right.
Okay.
Here we go. I don't think it's deep enough. Guys, I want to go a little bit deeper, so
okay.
I'm going to ask Eric to come over and yeah, I would like it to go deeper.
So this is that Porter cable 690 LR. One things I like about this is it's super easy to adjust the depth. You just turn it a little bit. That should make it a little bit deeper, a little bit more.
Let's see.
I take it a little bit at a time.
All
you
right.
can't put any back on.
Good point. All right, here we go. I do. I just don't think it's gone much.
So let me show you something. I'm going to make it a little bit deeper. So as you rotate this thing, it drives that down. It's a little bit deep. You can do it with a ring, but I just do it by hand. So let me show you something. So what I try to do is keep one handle rather than like this. I try to keep one handle. See how now half the router, and I can just keep, and it doesn't really, for this resin, it doesn't really matter what direction. Okay.
I want to go deeper.
See it over here now?
That's good.
That's good. So go ahead and go over there and pull it toward you. Got it?
Okay. Okay. Woo. Okay. So that is that for now. When we come back, we will move on to the next step. Sorry. Got a little bit of stuff all over me.
Yes.
So we will be back in just a few minutes. Okay guys, so we're all done. We've got it sanded. We've got it wiped. I wiped it down with wet rags, wet towels. And now we're going to put this water-based polyacrylic on the back. And that's just to seal it. Again, I'm not real worried about it because it is the back. And it's just the back I'm going to put this on, not the sides or the front. Or the top, I mean. So we did a little test corner right here just to see how it was going to work. Worked great, dried fast. So we're just going to do it to it. And it doesn't take a lot. This stuff goes on really thin, real nice. And dries really fast, so I like that. So I'm going to put this on the whole back side of it. And get it in. I've got a few little chicken holes there. I don't know what you call them.
Chicken holes? Okay.
I don't know. It sounded good for a minute there.
Oh, I like that idea. Chicken holes. That's good. All right.
Okay, so I'm going to finish this up and I'm going to let this set for a couple of days probably. And then we will go on to the next step, which is going to include flipping it over again, which is much fun.
Yeah, that's a lot of fun.
Anyway, guys, so we will be back and go on to the next step after we're done with this. See you later. Okay, guys, welcome back. So on the last scene, the last video you saw was I had the tabletop all sanded down, and then we put just like a finish on the back of it. And then we were going to flip it over and do the finish on the other side, but then we would have to flip it back over to get the frame and the legs and all that, skirt, frame, legs, all that built. So we decided not to flip it over yet to do the top side. We're going to map out what we're going to do with our legs. These are my legs. These are my chunky maple legs, and I love these legs. They are beautiful.
Trying to adjust the lighting here a little bit.
Yeah, they are gorgeous. They are quite chunky. You'll see they are heavy. They're solid oak, or excuse me, solid maple. I got these from the Carolina Leg Company. And I think I only paid like $250 for the 4 legs, free shipping, and I got them like within a week. Within a week, they shipped them that fast. And I believe they are a family owned and operated. I could be wrong, but I believe they're in Florida or North Carolina.
It might be in Carolina.
Might be in Carolina. Anyway, I can't remember. It's been a while since I bought them. But I love these legs. If you guys are looking for legs, they have all shapes, all sizes. And they have the bench seat, the bench legs also, because I'm eventually, probably in 2 more years, going to make bench seats to go around this table. It won't be resin, it'll just be live edge boards. But anyway, that's another plan. But anyway, so we have got these set up how we would like them. We've got them measured 4 inches from the edge in on both sides, all the way around. And then we're going to find, we're going to go to, where are you going?
I think I'm going to try Woodworker's Source out of Phoenix.
Phoenix.
I got to go down there next week.
And they have maple boards. So the skirt we're going to be making for it, and I don't know if that's the right term, a skirt, I call it a skirt, is going to also be maple. I am not going to stain these legs. We are just going to put a clear coat of finish on them. I don't want to cover anything up. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I looked for a year to try to find legs for the table I was going to make. But and then I don't know, something happened. I clicked on something and I found this company and I saw these legs and I knew that they were exactly what I wanted for my table. So, Carolina Leg Company. They've got they're on Instagram. I don't know if they're on YouTube, I don't know, but they're on Instagram. Go to their website if you're looking for legs. Absolutely beautiful. Great, great, great work. So anyway, enough about my legs. So we're going to get maple. We're going to build a frame. Now, Eric, I'm going to let Eric kind of explain to you, if you want to just come over here, and explain how we're going to do it because of the weight of the table.
Well, I can do it from right here because I'm not wearing.
You're not in a video. I'm not either, but.
Do not want to see what I look like right now. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to build the frame separately, completely separate. This gives us an idea of what the frame size is. Vicki's made a diagram exactly.
Got my diagram.
We're going to make the frame. We're going to put the whole frame together, get it finished, and then we'll assemble it in the house.
But it will be ready so that all we have to do is take the tabletop, put it on, and attach it, right? It's just too heavy to even think about doing the whole thing at one time.
Yeah.
And you guys have seen how heavy it is, or get an idea. And it's so funny because I've had so many people on the YouTube channel, on the other videos, say, how are you going to get that thing moved in? You know, and I say, if anybody wants to volunteer,
yeah.
Good. But no, we'll figure it out. We've got some pretty strong guys around here that we can get to help us out. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of go over that step with you. Once we get the maple, Eric's going to Phoenix probably next couple of days or so, and he'll be getting the maple boards, and we'll get them cut down, we'll get them sized up, and then we'll go through the whole process of putting this thing together. So, but we just wanted to show you an idea of what we were going to do, and then pray that it comes out the way we want it to. With this table, it's just praying, a lot of praying. So
it's a learning experience.
It's a learning experience. You know what, you guys, and I'm glad you guys are following along with us, and it's fun to have you guys follow and watch all my my character flaws and see how I fix them. I've had a lot of questions, a lot of emails, which is nice because a lot of people have tried different things and they can't find help. So, not that I am a professional. I am not a professional. I can just go over with you what I have done and how it worked. So, that's my story and I'm sticking to it.
All right.
So, okay guys. So, thanks for following along with us. Stay tuned for the next step. And I guess that's it. We'll see you.
This will be the end of this video.
Oh, this is the end of this video?
I think this
okay,
is the end.
so.
It'll be kind of a short one, but I think this will be the end of this video.
Okay, so thanks for sharing, or thanks for sticking with us. Thanks for all of the support. I've gotten some amazing comments and emails and everything. Thank you guys so much. It helps when you're going through and this trial and error to have the encouragement behind you. So I hope you liked the video. Please give us a thumbs up and share the video, and if you'll just leave a little comment, even if it's just a thumbs up and a little comment, that helps with the algorithms and getting our channel out to the viewers. So if you have any questions, email me, Vicki with davesigns@gmail.com. If you have any other questions regarding anything that I don't know, email Eric at makeawoodsign.com. And thanks for following, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.